That's me. I want to take two. Welcome to my birthday vlog. So welcome to the crib. Here we have my cake. Whoa, 23. And here we have the stove. We're not gonna cook anything. We have a microwave, we have a dishwasher, we got a sink, like turn up. And then we'll come to the living room. The party didn't start yet, but it will soon. Come. This is what I'm wearing. I have two outfits. Night and day. Well, they're both night, but it's okay. And then we have my shoes, my perfume, and yeah. And then welcome to the beauty room. I'm gonna go get ready now.
Starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates.
It's not authentic. Let's go. It's not real. You're ruining it.
I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain. July, there were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in.
I be like, oh, I need content and then I'm like, no, I want to live in the moment. Fuck the content. That's why she the influencer. But this nail is like, this nail, I like it. You need to put it in first. Alright. Going last. Oh, the whole Ghana, like, shut up. Yeah, my mom too. But that's because that's where my daddy. That's where my daddy from. That's why. Not too much. They're like Jamaican. They're crazy people. Oh my gosh. I used up all the time.
Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
She back for she didn't get.
It's funny 'cause
So
I never thought this would end. But then the season changed.
You were my girl. You were made, should've made you to make you happy, baby. Oh yeah. That's right.
I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings and fly. Whoa. And I'm too fly for the shit. Oh.
y'all play. La push. No, la push. Cheers to BB 23. Everybody for coming. I love you all. Cheers. Cheers. Like the remix. Ooh. Like, let the singer sing. Yeah, y'all two just sing. Hey, hey, hey. That's me. I want to sing too. Just because I can't sing. It's okay. Put another one there. Wow. Last one. Last one. Okay. So cute. Oh my god.
Oh, purr.
Okay, Cindy and Vanessa, you ready? Nah, she's straight. She wasn't playing.
Nah, you look
joking. Ooh, it's a big one.
No, she looks so good.
Okay, full small, full
Are we
small.
gonna sing happy birthday?
Yeah, you ready to sing? Okay. Hey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Virginia. Happy birthday to you. Who put the singing voice on? Happy birthday.
Ok, meu viu? Eu olho só. Ah, não ia não. A câmera não para mim. No, fuck off, fuck off.
Boy, if you don't get your, who's this man? MTV Cribs. Today is. So, are you coming along?